children are amazing, cherish them. Believable, trust them. Childlike, let them. Divine, respect them. Energetic, nourish them. Fallible, embrace them. Gifts, unwrap them. Here now, be with them. Innocent delight in them. Joyful, appreciate them. Kind hearted, join them. Lovable, love them. Magical, fly with them. Noble, esteem them. Open minded, hear them. Precious, treasure them. Question is, encourage them. Resourceful, support them. Spontaneous, enjoy them. Talented, believe in them. Unique, afford them. Whole, recognize them. Extra special, celebrate them. All the kids, chin up, smile, and celebrate the day dedicated specially to you. November 14 is celebrated as Children's Day in our country, and on the occasion also commemorates the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first PM of India. The day is a reminder that every child deserves education, nurturing, and the best of everything. So let's begin the day by seeking God's blessing on this special day. Dear Lord, please give my children courage to stand up for the truth, to do what is right, and to choose the right thing when they get opportunity to do what is wrong. Help them and guide them towards making the right decision. Oh Lord, please always be near to my children. Never leave them or forsake them. Help my children to be affectionate and kind, and give them gentle and meek spirit. Dear Lord, during this pandemic, please watch over their health and help them to stay positive and patient. Amen. Yours is the light by which my spirit is born. You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars. So let me introduce my garden of flowers to all of you. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into reality. Now let's meet leaders of 9A. Be helpful when you see a person without a smile. Give him yours. So here I am to introduce you with 9A Helping Hands. I don't need my friends to be perfect, but I do need them to be trustworthy. Nothing beats a loyal friend. So now let's meet the group where you may confine with. Politeness is the flower of humanity. So I take pride in presenting my garden of flowers, who spread their fragrance exhibiting this very quality. The aim of art is not to represent the outward appearance of the things, but their inward significance. So let's rejoice to have these artists who bring out the significance of the things which our eyes cannot see. So here I am with a special poem for all you, my dearies. And the title of my poem is Trustworthy. Trustworthy I am, trustworthy you are. We know where we can trust each other no matter what. Trustworthy. What does that mean to you? It means that you can trust me and I can trust you with just a little love and a little peace. We can see each other's hearts, but not with our eyes. But for with our eyes, we are blind to see. Trustworthy I am, trustworthy you are. We are all trustworthy because we love each other unconditionally. Nothing here on earth can be stronger than this. I love you, children, from all my heart. I bless you, children, from all my heart. You are the shining stars and gifts of God. You are the children, best of the rest. You are the birds and you are the flowers. You are the shining stars who shine in the sky. You are the light of darkness, and I pray for your brightness. You are the light of darkness, and I pray for your brightness. You are the glimpse of future, and you are the pride of our teachers. You are the glimpse of future, and you are the pride of our teachers. You are the children, I want you to shine. You are the children, I want you to fly. Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day to all my children. Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day, Happy Children's Day to all my children. A very happy Children's Day to all my dearies out there. Stay safe, stay blessed.